I just cleaned the cat litter. And wait, what's this? Let's find out. What in the world is this? Is that Raya or Mulan? Can any one of you tell? Let me know in the comments. Let's clean her up and find out. This looks painful. Let's take these out one at a time. She looks like she lost a battle. I wonder who did this to her. Ugh, what's that? Her lips are still shut like it's been keeping secrets. But not anymore. Time to speak, girl. Your silence ends now. I have to be a Hercules to take this off. This one better be satisfying. Let's wash her face. Ooh, satisfying. What's wrong with her wounds? This is hard. Clean her legs. Let's take off her old skin. Time for a fresh start.
2 hours later.
What this reminds you of? Tell me in the comments. Let's band-aid her stomach to get rid of the scar. Imagine band-aids could take off the scars just like that. There we go, more skin peeled. You can now finally see again. Say hi to your new look. Now some makeup, eyeliner. She's not just coming back, she's coming back fierce. Lipstick, should be red. I think we already know who she is. Here it is, from trash bag to total glow up. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Who knows what I will pull out from the cat litter next time.